Today we visit Funen in Denmark. DOT is the leading full-service partner in Scandinavia in surface treatment. The molten zinc used as part of the galvanization process releases a large amount of excess heat, which is why DOT made the decision to invest in an Exodraft heat recovery system. The recovered heat is used to heat 13 pre-treatment baths, which previously were heated by a gas furnace. According to factory manager Dennis Nielsen, heat recovery on the flue gases have resulted in substantial savings. Previously, we used more than 1 million kilowatt-hours in gas to heat our pre-treatment baths. That energy now comes from the heat recovery system, which means a payback period of 2.6 years. At the same time, we have reduced our CO2 and NOx emissions significantly. Exodraft has handled all facets of the project, from initial planning to final turnkey installation, and this is something Dennis Nielsen has appreciated greatly. Exodraft has been very professional and their implementation outstanding. They've managed the entire project, including subcontractors, meaning we've had only one contact person. I can highly recommend Exodraft. If your company has excess heat, don't hesitate to contact them today. Heat recovery is common sense as it comes with economical, operational and environmental benefits. Visit exodraft-heatrecovery.com and learn more about how to recover and utilize your excess heat. You can even contact us for a free evaluation of your heat recovery potential.